it happened.
What the hell is he doing? He's gonna hurt somebody. You guys get ready to get him out of here. We can fucking. This guy's drunk. We're gonna take him out ourselves. This guy's gonna kill somebody.
Yeah.
Oh, he hit the truck.
Oh my
again.
God.
Did you see that?
Yeah, recorded everything. So
What the hell is he doing?
should we do something?
I'm not.
Huh?
I don't know what the hell.
We see yeah.
You would not believe the shit we're looking at right now. This tanker's been swerving back and forth on the road, keeps slamming into the side of this other truck. We got it on video. The guy's like drunk or something driving the tanker.
Yeah, that tanker is still moving. That tanker is still moving.
And he's driving away now. He hit the other truck. The truck stopped. The
Yeah,
guy gets
so-
out to go talk to him, and the tanker's driving off. The guy was like slamming on the door. Cabral, he's going off on the shoulder, then he swerves back, cuts across all three lanes, driving a damn tanker.
Yeah, so
This is madness. We're gonna. I don't know if this guy's drunk or having an emergency or what, but I'm just hanging behind him. I got Zang over here videotaping it. This guy's nuts.
yeah.
Oh, he's about to hit another truck.
Yeah. Oh shit.
He's playing crash derby in a tanker.
Oh god.
Oh, he's hit a car. Oh, shit. He almost hit that car. No, he just missed it.
What?
Bro, I gotta show you this video. This guy's just going back. Oh, he's getting off the exit, I think, now.
Or not. Oh shit. Is he gonna hit the?
He
No.
stayed on the turnpike.
No.
Oh, he's gonna hit another truck.